Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these homemade empanadillas or pastelillos, so stay tuned for the detailed recipe. At the end, your mixture should look like this. What I do is I use a spoon with holes and drain the meat into a separate bowl so that it can cool off. Alright you guys, so these are my finished empanadillas. I hope you like this recipe. I'm so excited to share it with you. Drop anything or any questions that you have in the comments. See you guys soon. Bye.